Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate an international transaction on Citibank credit card. The first thing that you'll need to know or to do is have a Citibank account. If you don't, you'll have to go and click on open an account, or if you do, just go and log in into your account if you're on the website. Of course, you'll have to go to citi.com to access this page. If you have like the mobile app, or if you don't, go and download. As an example, if you're a phone user, you can simply go then and sign in with the user ID or sign in with the Touch ID if you enable it. I've already made a video on how to enable it and even how to create an account if you need assistance, or register for an account if you don't have an account. Now, once you do so, how to activate your card for international payments. So as you can see, activate your Citibank card for overseas transactions. So basically, if it's a new card, there is two options. Whether you already like used it, what you'll need to do simply just go and activate it, because maybe once you used it, you deactivate it. So activation and deactivation of your card is immediate, and you will receive like a confirmation SMS from us. And this app will also this app is also your credit card companion app extended to the benefits, an example, and etc. So what you'll need to do is simply open the mobile app. Go to Profile menu, enter card and account tab on the card that you would like to activate for overusage. Tap on Enable the Overseas Usage switch. Enter the one-time PIN, OTP, or Citi Mobile Token PIN to proceed, and card is successfully activated for overseas usage. If it's a new card, you just got your card. All you need to do, of course, there's two options. You can activate your physical card or digital card. For physical card, again, it's going to be the same. You'll just have to log in into your account on the mobile application. Then simply activate the card, because if you logged in into your account and if it's your first time, because if it's a new card, you probably just created an account. You just have your new card. So the first thing that you'll find in front of you is activate a card. Click on activate a card, then follow the instructions to complete your card activation. Or if you're logged on, this is of course if you're not logged in. If you're logged in already, go again to Profile menu, enter card and accounts. Tap on the card that you would like to activate, click on activate now, and enter the one-time PIN, OTP, on of the Citi Mobile token PIN to proceed, and enter the CVV of your new card, and then tap activate. If it's like a digital card, all you need to do is simply log in again into the account, select the card that you wish to view, click on Manage button at the top right, and you'll be able to view the card details and expiry date on the screen, and click on View to see your temporary CVV. Add your card details to your e-wallet to use, or use your card details to start transaction online. That's basically how to do it or how to activate it for a digital card. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm catching you in the next video. So goodbye.